Other way, buddy. Oh, I can't wait to eat those.
Good job.
You only have 5 left. Do you want to leave one for Sophia to clean?
No,
Why?
because I don't want to.
Oh. Do you like cleaning smells?
Yeah.
Hmm.
You're a good smell cleaner, you know.
What is that from?
Those are scales.
No.
It's okay, buddy.
Okay. I want it right there. That one has eggs. Good job. Where'd you cut it to? Where did you cut to? Right up to the... Good job.
Look at me and smile now. Look at me,
Look at Daddy.
smiling.